Everybody, Richard Freeman out here getting Daytona Beasley. Hey, it's Friday, beautiful, beautiful weekend. We need to get this month started, so we got some deals we want to talk about, some great vehicles. Jay, first one I want to talk about is a very rare, very hard vehicle to find, a 2020 Toyota Sequoia. And this is the top of the line trim level. This is a platinum. Very, very nice vehicle. It's that Blizzard Pearl White. Jay, this car's only got 19,000 miles on it. A 2020 with 19,000 miles, and on top of that, it's certified. What's that mean? It's got a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty from the day you drive out. So you got 80,000 miles of warranty left and a full 7 years to put them on. This is a rare, rare opportunity. Everybody knows you can't get the V8, you can't get this body style anymore, and this car's got the upgraded, what do they call that, redwood or brownstone interior. I mean, really, really nice premium top leather interior. Dual captain seats. Even got your factory DVD back here, Jay, with the armrest in the back. Dual captain heated seats on top of that. Heated and cooled seats in the front. I mean, a really, really premium SUV. Of course, it's got the tow package on it. The Class 3 hitch. Well, this is, again, I can't stress enough what a rare opportunity this vehicle is, especially to get it with a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty. This vehicle's only $61,950, Jay. You know, if you're looking for something like this, they're usually a lot more than that, a whole lot more than that new right now. If you're looking at the new Sequoias, so come on out and see this one, people. It's a local vehicle, rare, fine, super nice vehicle. All right. If you need a big SUV, but you don't want to spend quite $61,000, I got a really nice 2024 Huyndai Palisade. Now, this vehicle's only got 30,000 miles. Very nice vehicle as well. Hyundai's done a great job, putting a lot of luxury in these cars. It's got your twin panel sunroof, of course, leather, heated and cooled seats, navigation, all the bells and whistles as well. 35,000 miles for only $39,950. So almost half the price, but still same amount of room, a lot of vehicle. Really good looking vehicle, and we sell a lot of these. I mean, the Huyndai Palisades and the Kia Telluride, they're very, very, very popular in the market right now. So 2024 Huyndai Palisade Hyper White, 35,000 miles for only $39,950. Yeah, that is a great price. Now we traded for a really clean 2017 Lexus GX460. That's kind of like the Sequoia or Lexus version of the Land Cruiser. Really nice vehicle. 146,000 miles. This is only $24,450. Check this out. It is beautiful. I like this color. Real pretty black leather interior. Wood grain steering wheel. Of course, it being a Lexus, it's going to have all the stuff. Heated and cooled seats. Looking for something that's going to haul that boat, pull that camper, and get you there riding in comfort with tons and tons of luxury and not a whole lot of money. $24,450. Say 146,000 miles on a Toyota or Lexus is just, that ain't nothing. You know that. I've seen them with 500,000 miles on them before. So this is a rare opportunity too as well. And look how clean that vehicle is. I was off past 2 days. Today's my first day seeing this vehicle. I thought it was probably a $40,000, $50,000 vehicle. For just walking up to it. Check this out. Let's see here. Oh, it's like, okay, we'll get back to that. But a 2017 Lexus GX460, only $24,450. Now the SUV, all you minivan lovers, we got a really, really clean 2023 Hyundai Odyssey. The GXL, only got 18,000 miles. That's really no miles at all. Of course, just like the Toyota Sienna, very popular, very dependable, very nice van. 18,000 miles. And this vehicle is only $38,950. That real pretty pearl white color. $38,950. If you're looking to haul 7 to 8 people, need room to carry cargo, still get great gas mileage, you can't beat a Honda Odyssey or a Toyota Sienna, either one. They're excellent vans. And that was a rare color coming. Vans have been hard to come by here lately. So you could have remaining factory warranty on this Honda. You got the center seat that'll come out that'll make it like dual captain seats. Really nice van. And again, it's 18,000 miles, only 38,950, 2023. All right, getting down to a little bit more of a budget type price vehicle. We got in a 2023 Chevrolet Equinox, 46,000 miles, 2-row seat vehicle, real clean little vehicle, great gas mileage, 46,000 miles. This is only 22,750. And that's a good looking vehicle. I sold the Equinox the other day to a little couple, and they love it. Chevrolet's done a good job with that car. It's similar in size to our RAV4, maybe slightly bigger, but it's a real good little vehicle. 24 in the city, 30 on the highway. You could get up to 33 on the highway depending on your driving style, but a nice little crossover style van, and it's only 22,750. Another good opportunity for somebody to get a nice low payment on a little roomy little SUV and not spend a whole lot of money. Or last but not least, we got in a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Now this vehicle's only got 38,000 miles. We've had a few of these Jeeps lately, and they hop out of here pretty quick. This has got the tonneau cover on the back. It's got the retractable soft top, a little bit bigger wheels and tires. Again, it's only got 38,000 miles. I had to double check myself on this one, Jay. This is only 32,950. So we got some great deals going on right now. Good opportunities for a lot of people. 2020 Jeep Gladiator, 38,000 miles for only 32,950. I would have thought this vehicle would have been in the 40s too. So. All right, and these are just a few of the vehicles we got, folks. We got tons and tons of RAV4s. We got 4Runners. We got Highlanders. Our buyers been getting out buying a whole lot of vehicles. That's something nice. It's got the retractable top tonneau cover. I don't know if it's locked right now or not. It's got the sprayed in bed liner. This right here it's locked right now, but it just slides in. You ain't got to flip it over. It's a really nice feature. Class 3 hitch, and that vehicle hadn't been used or abused at all, it looks like. I mean, it's like it's been very well taken care of. But like I was saying, this is just a small piece of what we got on the ground. We're off to a little bit of a slow start, so folks, we need your help. We got some great deals going on this weekend. It's going to be a pretty weekend. Come out here and see us. Remember, when you come to Toyota of Easley, you don't just get a car, you get us. Thank you very much, Jay.